So friends, after so many days of heavy weather, rough seas and overcast skies, the reason for our existence, the ultimate source of energy, the sun is out. Guys, today I will be going inside one of the ballast tanks which is called the after peak tank. ये शिप के सबसे पीछे वाले एरिया में होता है and it contributes for the stability of the vessel. Because our ship is in loaded condition right now, so the ballast tanks are empty, उसमें कोई पानी नहीं है. So this is a very good opportunity to carry out the inspection of the ballast tank, and the after peak tank is one of them. Today me and second officer will be entering the after peak tank for routine inspection. It is normally 6 monthly or 10 monthly depending upon the plant maintenance system. So today second officer is joining me for the entry into the after peak tank. This is the after peak tank. We will be entering today for routine inspection, जैसा मैंने बताया था. So this is already empty now, and we are going to make tank entry. All atmospheric checks have been completed. Oxygen level, H2S and other harmful gases, and it is safe to enter now. So me and second mate, we have completed the after peak tank inspection. काफ़ी गर्मी थी अंदर and पानी भी बहुत था अंदर, so we could not go deep inside the tank. But still we were able to manage and complete the inspection. So this is a routine inspection, as I told. It is carried out every 6 monthly or 10 monthly, depending on the plant maintenance system.
Asking their suggestion, what else they can request for the next voyage, no? Because there are some tools also that we don't have, but they have their own idea. So I'm asking their idea what else they can suggest, so that for the next crew it's not difficult to do some hard work.
So this is all requisition part, huh?
Yes.
I thought maybe you're asking, requesting for something personal. Yes, Mark, what's your request?
This was 7,000.
No, personal request.
Personal request,
Relieve them. Personal request.
That has to be first request, reliever. And Surya, what about you? What is your request? Huh? Nothing, only smiling? Huh? So today you have to demonstrate self-contained breathing apparatus and donning of EBD. And everybody will be wearing in their personal immersion suit. So friends, here you can see our deck crew is ordering deck stores for the next port, because all these guys are hopefully signing off in the next port, and they want to hand over to the next crew. So this is a very good practice that before signing off you must prepare yourself and also prepare for the others who are going to relieve you at the next port of call. So friends, this is the SCBA set, which is called a self-contained breathing apparatus. This is used in case of firefighting, and here you can see the air bottle. We have a mask inside, and there is a pressure gauge also for monitoring. So today we will be having a small training session for demonstrating how to don the SCBA set. There are a few checks which have to be done prior to using this. So all this will be demonstrated in the training today. And this is the emergency escaping breathing device, short form EEBD, as you can see. This is also used in case of exit from emergency exit from any kind of space where there is a lack of oxygen or smoke. So this EEBD is used only in case of escaping. It cannot be used for firefighting purpose because it has got a limited amount of air to breathe. So this is also one of the equipments that we will be demonstrating today in the training session. So friends, we have finished the life-saving and firefighting appliances training session. It is very important to conduct these kind of training sessions on regular basis because when there is a real emergency situation, in panic, people tend to forget what they have to do because they get nervous, they get scared, and it is human nature to forget their duties during any kind of emergency or in a panic situation. So it is very important to carry out these drills and conduct training sessions so that each and every individual is aware what they have to do, when they have to do, and how they have to do in case of any emergency or any other situation that demands their presence of mind, so that everybody on board can be safe. So this was the training session what we conducted today regarding the firefighting and life-saving appliances. Good morning, Mark. How are you?
I'm fine, sir.
All well?
Yes,
So what is today? Oh, green grapes. Looks very fresh. This was received in Brazil, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, and besides grapes, what do we have for lunch today?
Lunch, we have basmati rice.
Basmati rice.
Dal.
Dal.
Beef soup.
And for the party?
The party is a barbecue party.
Barbecue.
Beef, we have chicken, sausages, and dessert. Choco butter nut.
Oh, this I missed. I did not see this. What is this chocolate?
Choco butter nut.
Choco butter nut.
Yes, sir.
Oh, and this looks like what is this? Carrots?
No, it's toppings.
Topping. Okay, so friends, today we will be having a small get-together, small party on board. So our mess man is preparing food. Also, let's go what chief cook is doing inside. Morning, Michael. How's life? So finally the weather is fine now, and we can see sunlight also coming inside the galley. So all set for party tonight?
Yes, sir.
Some music, dancing, or no?
Depends on the tech scientists, they will prepare.
They have to prepare, and we want to see you also some good moves because you look very fit, very slim, and your physique is very good. I think you dance at home, some dance practice.
Yeah, during my school days,
Hmm?
I used to dance, and I was a varsity player for volleyball
Volleyball. Oh,
during my college days.
that's why your physique is like athlete, athletic physique. It looks very nice. So friend, our chief cook is also preparing for the party tonight, and everybody is very eager to for this party because already 2.5 months and we did not have any get together on board. So today is going to be a very great day. So friends, after so many days of experiencing rough weather and tough times, today we finally got some favorable weather conditions and we were able to continue our daily work routine. So our crew was very happy because the situation was becoming under control, because whatever weather reports we received, exactly the same kind of weather we are experiencing right now. During the time of this rough weather conditions, as I told you before, जो हमारा crew है उन्होंने काफ़ी मुश्किल time देखा है. They faced a lot of challenges, work-wise, health-wise, but now the situation is coming under control, and we are very happy about it. That our crew is bouncing back and getting along very well, and they are giving their 100% in their work. So for the welfare of the crew and all other staff members, we had organized party on board. So everybody relaxed and they had a very good time enjoying themselves and talking so many things to each other for a long time, and they had a great time actually. And in this time we also got to see some emotional moments, that they were missing their families, because यहाँ पे जितने भी लोग on board हैं, maximum of them have spent more than 10 months on board away from the family, facing tough times and continuously working, whether day or night. And being a seaman, we have to sacrifice a lot, and the main reason is that we have to be away from our families for a long time, working on the ship out at sea, which is a different medium to work on. So wherever you go in the world, how much ever you travel, at the end of the day you want to come back home to your family. So these emotional moments were captured. Actually it was not expected, but this is human nature, and people have been away from their families for a long time now on board. So they are missing their families, friends, loved ones, everyone. So that is why we conducted a small get-together party for the crew, so that they can relax themselves. And again tomorrow we have to continue working. So this was it, friends. I hope you liked my today's story. Please do subscribe to my channel. Stay happy, stay safe. Thank you for watching.